Alright, welcome back. We are considering Oduduwa Biafra collaboration. Britain created hatred between Yoruba Igbo. Alright, and this had been said by Igbo's aide. Alright, the news in details. Koiki, who spoke with Sarah reporters, said the Yoruba and Igbo are brothers but colonialists from Britain cast the aspersion of hatred between the two ethnic nationalities. Olayomi Koiki, spokesman for Yoruba freedom fighter Sunday Adeyemo Igboho, has revealed that there are possibilities that the Oduduwa Republic agitators will liaise with the Biafran Republic agitators to help them achieve their objectives faster. Koiki, who spoke with Sarah reporters, said the Yoruba and Igbo are brothers but colonialists from Britain cast the aspersion of hatred between the two ethnic nationalities. Alright, and meanwhile, he noted that the 1914 amalgamation was responsible for the notion of enmity between the Igbos, Yorubas, and Hausas. Koiki said Yoruba nation agitators have always enjoyed the support of their Igbo brothers while reiterating Igbo's stance that any attack on Igbo people is an attack on Yoruba people. He said, yes, we are looking in that direction. The 1914 amalgamation brought enmity among us in the first place. The Igbos never had any reason to hate the Yorubas, and we also had no reason to fight them because we all had our nations before the British came in the 19s. Alright, and then we were all independent and then living well, not until the 1914 amalgamation, when British decided we must come together for whatever aim they wanted to achieve. The Igbos had existed before the creation of Nigeria. The Yorubas too have been in existence before the creation of Nigeria. Likewise, the Hausas, but the 1914 fraud brought all this upon us. Then, the 1966 to 1970 Civil War now created this distrust amongst us, which is what we are battling with today. That's why we are calling for self-determination. Let everyone manage their resources so that there won't be an unnecessary struggle among us. We are very much likely to collaborate with the Biafran agitators so we can achieve this. I know many people refer to the distrust and all, but there are some people who do not even trust their own biological brothers or sisters. So what are we saying? Well, we have always enjoyed their support and they also have enjoyed ours. And that's why we keep saying that any attack on the Igbos is an attack on the Yorubas, and we won't take it lightly. We are not requesting for too much. We have not asked for what's not ours. So why is the government holding on? All we are saying is give us the right to self-determination of our land, our resources. So if liaising with the Biafran agitators will help us achieve this, why not? We are actually looking towards that. Igbo had earlier warned that any attack by the Nigerian army on the southeast would be repelled. In a statement by his media aide, Igbo said attacks on the southeast is an attack on the Yoruba people, urging the government to put a stop to raids in the southeast region. He further stated that if there are further attacks on the people of the southeast Yoruba nation now, agitators will mobilize and support them. It was, however, not stated the kind of support that would be given. All right, and then my people, that has been it on this one. Well, we are considering Ojujua Biafra collaboration. Britain created a trade between Yoruba and Igbos, and this had been said by Igbo host 8. All right, my people. Well, no, they said this set of people have actually made it known that any attack on the Igbos is also an attack on the Yorubas. All right, and meanwhile, until this, it has been said by Cheta Ben that this is very great. We are one people, Yorubas and Igbos, having the same level of civilization and education, are people that love peace and harmony with highest level of respect. All right, and then for human rights and then freedom, these people have respect for both. And then it is said that if I pray the entire southern Nigeria come together and become one, united for better development and then overwhelming prosperity. All right, and then this had been said by Cheta Ben, and then according to Don Kenny on this one, it says, well, when Buhari heard about Biafra and Ojujua collaboration, he developed heart attack and they flew him to UK Medical Center. All right, and that's another one. Well, according to Ejiofor Ikechukwu, he said that, well, manpower, education, science, and technology. This is the reason the colonial master joined the southern and northern Nigeria together in order to stop this. The liberation of Biafra land and Ojujua will definitely transfer power back to Africa. We are far more intelligent than the Europeans. All right, and this had been said by Ejiofor Okechukwu. And then it is said that to form alliance in this struggle for freedom is a good idea, but not the best option. Let each zone fight for their liberation to avoid one sabotaging the effort of the other. All right, my people, a lot of things had been said so far. On to this one, what more can we say? But meanwhile, before I leave, I would like everyone, no matter what, try as much as possible to be prayerful. Pray for Sunday Igbo, pray for Koiki Media, pray for every leader of this Ojujua agitation, pray for everyone that has been so supportive and that has been part of this movement. All right, my people, and then that has been it on this one. Meanwhile, let me have more take from you on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.